District birekwebembire Gilbert Kansime or President wa Rotary Club omurushenyi.
Aba Rotary Club Bushenyi kandi twatanise na Rotary Club Kabohe turya kureba ngo tuje muri yeri shomero 1 kola joint fellowship nabo kandi cya kabiri twija ku bya remit. Ejemite nayo buhangwa and it is a signature project ya District 9213.
Aha mukoro ngo gumwe habireho no kwiguraho ehuru yo kurwanisa indwara ye kokoro eyibesire Cancer Run 2024 ombutongore erije kubaho 2025 omkwezi kwa munana omwaka 2024 kandi ntije kubaho kutayira amatendekero abantu mu makagabo obarukushomesubwa ahandwara ye kokoro.
Today we are launching officially the Cancer Run 2024. It is going to take place on 25th of August. We shall have visiting of institutions. We shall be sending ambassadors to institutions to talk about the killer disease cancer.
Magara Egidius orumukama w'ishomero rya St Jude atushoborire kigendera cyo kwigura he hurezi mu mashomero nguno kwenda beji bamanye birungi bya Rotary Clubs omwihanga ukandi bakore ibintu mutuma murungi go kwabatine.
Club abana tuboreka bari nko mujiji ebikorwa mu Rotary Club abacheza nyenchakare bakatumukora.
Robert Kansime or President wa Rotary Club District ya Bushenyi atushoborire mwe ahamyuga iba kubana bakori hanga.
Rotary Club we have different interventions. We do interventions on byamizi na no biyonjo, ntukora projects on byamashomero kandi hatinga turyo ntuombeka a 2 classroom block atkaba kama primary school.
Tumukunde Leonard Obira President wa Rotary Club omwishomero ya St Jude Secondary School atugambire bonka beji ebakuganyirwamo omukushoma kwabo na mnonga baba bari Rotary Club.
Jine yamba abana kugira omuzinya na omweto bwo kuyamba abantu abatine na munonga babine tujamba babine cyango konka babine bahereza aho bagenzi babo kugira ngo ubona bagume mu environment erukushana.
Akanyujuka Joabu oba kwasizo wa President wa Rotary Club omwishomero asimire bona bamutiremo wesije bakamuhindura cyari rikwe kuraganisa kwa kuza kugumana akore bikwetadisa hamwe nakachiko ke.
I want also thank the members who trusted me and appointed me to be their incoming president.
Abeja batahira mu Rotary Club omwishomero nibingana 30 kandi habiriho no kubaha certificates ahari yabo ababire bari mu Rotary Club.
All the team.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Olivia na Sasra, Our Sky Television agenshonga umurushenyi.